thank you so much for joining us for this part of the video series. In this video, we are going to talk about a program that we absolutely love called Naviance. Our students use Naviance throughout high school, and we would like today to share some information with you to help you become more familiar with the program. My name is Mrs. Jessica Saxon. I'm one of the school counselors here at Upper Dublin High School. I'll be joined in this video by Mr. Mike Tadio, another counselor at the high school. So what is Naviance? It's a comprehensive web-based program that supports much of our college and career planning. So our students really use Naviance to get a better sense of fit in terms of colleges, what might be right for them in terms of careers. We do have student accounts that the students are able to access through one of their bookmarks under Clever. Very easy login there. And the parents also have accounts. So if you ever are interested, you can always call the guidance department and get information about that. The really cool thing about Naviance is that it is Upper Dublin High School specific information. So as students graduate, we will obtain information about where they are headed after high school and what their plans are. And we keep that data to help our incoming students figure out what's going to work best for them. So using Naviance, we use it all throughout high school. So the students start to use Naviance in 9th grade and get more comfortable with the program as they go through 9th and through 12th. As a senior, though, the students really need to use Naviance to apply to colleges. So if the students are looking at applying to a 2 or a 4-year school in the future, you will absolutely need Naviance to be able to do that. So while we introduce the program to our students 9th through 11th grade, it's really a tool and an exploration process that they go through to figure out more about themselves, learning about their own learning styles and what they're looking for in a school beyond Upper Dublin High School, who they are as a person, and then how that relates to what they're looking for after they graduate. And that's both in terms of their college plan and career. So, there are many websites out there where students are using various websites to find more information about the schools that they may choose to attend. Naviance has all that information in one place. It actually gives the student information right there in Naviance in the program. So it incorporates both the students' information with other Upper Dublin High School students and the college information that they provide as well. We believe that the students did create their account at Sandy Run. So again, if you have any questions about logging in, please let us know. We're happy to help you with that. I'm going to go through just a couple of screenshots just so that you know what you're looking at. We really believe that if the students take some time to get familiar with the program, that's really the best way to get comfortable and understand what you're looking for and how to best use it. This is the student's home screen. So when you log in, you'll see that there are various tabs on the top right. You can choose your favorites in the middle there. And then on the left in the box, you'll see your class. And in that box, the counselors will update and put information as you go through each year. As I mentioned on the top right, the tabs, the colleges tab is probably the one that our students use the most. When you go into this, you'll be able to use various search engines where you can search for criteria that best fits you and your student and what you're looking for. This is such a great tool to use as you go through high school. We really strongly encourage our 10th and 11th grade students to get in there and play around and just get familiar with the program itself. That's really the best way to use it as a tool. There's also a careers tab, and we really strongly recommend that our students take the time to go in. We will be doing a program with our 10th grade students in the spring that talks a lot about exploration in careers and what does that look like. We know that most students aren't really sure what they want to do when they grow up, even some of us adults, right? But the students, the more that they explore, the more they understand, the more that they research, that's really how they're best going to find the right fit for them in terms of a major and then further down the road a career. So we strongly recommend looking in, finding careers and also career clusters using this program. There are many videos by people that are actually in the field of the careers, and it is a really helpful tool. I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Tadio.
Well, thank you, Mrs. Saxon. So within Naviance, there are several different options for families to research colleges. Depending on what you're trying to accomplish, there seems to be a tool to assist you. If you're at the beginning stage where you're just trying to find a list of schools based on certain criteria, some of the more popular choices are the Supermatch and the Advanced College Search. It will allow you to narrow down a list of potential colleges based on certain criteria that is important to you. Some criteria that could be an example is the geographic location of the college, the size of the student body, where the school is located, meaning if it's in or near a city, or what colleges offer specific college majors. If you're already further along in the process and you already have a list of schools, but you're trying to gather more detailed information, such as is it a good academic fit or the admission chances at these colleges, the scattergrams feature is very helpful. So once schools have been identified as possible schools, we encourage students to add these schools to this list, which is called Colleges I'm Thinking About. Here's where students, parents, and counselors can add schools to their list and it also identifies some basic information, such as can you apply via the Common App, the application deadlines. It's all helpful information listed there for each school. It's kind of a good summary page. All the way to the right, the one column that's circled with the more is a shortcut to the scattergrams feature. Now, the scattergrams are definitely the most popular feature within Naviance, so let me explain exactly what you're looking at here on the screen. This is a scattergram of Temple University. And what these scattergrams do is they report admission results of Upper Dublin graduates who applied at that college based on their GPA and SAT scores. So this specific scattergram identifies students who gained admission to Temple, and they're the students being represented by the green check marks, and the students who were denied admission, which are the students with the red X's. The helpful part of these scattergrams is that it plots your student on the graph, which you can see by the light blue circle there in the middle. And you can kind of see where they compare based on the admission and denials of previous years. This helps identify ultimately if it's a possible school, reach school, or safety school. And because your student, or this student right here, is right in the center, I would definitely categorize this as a possible school. Next, this is a scattergram of the University of Pennsylvania. And for this student, it would be considered a reach school as their current grades and scores are well below the average of students who applied at that college. This is a scattergram of Bloomsburg University and would be considered a safety school based on where they stand on the graph. So for the obvious reasons, this information is incredibly helpful in researching schools and helping you identify where you stand in terms of admission for these schools. So here's a list of programming that takes place over the next few years as our counseling staff provides many group and classroom lessons along with individual sessions. If you as a family ever want to start this process earlier, please contact your counselor to get that set up. So on behalf of Mrs. Saxon and the entire guidance department, thank you for watching this video. Take care.